My name is Dustin Balcom. I'm the building manager here at the Living Light Community Center. Today we're going to talk about replacing the handles on a bathroom faucet. Tools you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a straight slot or a flathead screwdriver. For most applications, you may also need additional tools depending on the type of handle you're replacing. What we're going to do is kind of walk you through how to remove one, how to put it back on there. Make sure that you're checking with the manufacturer to make sure that the handle that you have will actually fit the fixture that you have in your bathroom. So let's get started. Okay, using a straight slot screwdriver, you actually pry off the cap that goes over top of the handle. So get underneath the edge, pop that up, you can remove that. Now I've got an adjustable screwdriver here, so I'm going to turn it over. This is the Phillips side. We're going to use the Phillips side to remove the set screw. Now you may have an Allen set screw. There's a lot of different types of screws that are used in these, so use the appropriate tool to remove the set screw. To do this, we're going to actually hold on to the handle so that we don't turn the water on with the screwdriver. So place your hand on the handle here and then back the set screw out of the handle. You remove the set screw. At this point, you can remove the handle. Now, each faucet is going to have a different type of configuration for the handle on there. So you want to make sure that you actually use a handle that's going to work with your faucet. So once you've got a new handle, you're going to put it back on. You might have to wiggle it around just a little bit to get it to fall into place. Once you've got it in place, you're going to take your set screw, place it back in using the appropriate driver. Make sure not to over tighten it. You just want to tighten it until the set screw hits the top of your handle. Once that's done, take your cap, place it back in. A little pressure, it's back in place. So there you have it, how to replace the actual handle on the faucet in your bathroom. Remember, make sure you know what tools you need before you get started. It can be really frustrating working if you don't have the proper tools there. And then also make sure you're checking that the handle that you're using is going to fit the faucet that you want to replace it with. Again, my name is Dustin Balcom. I'm the building manager here at the Living Light Community Center. And today, you learned how to replace the handle on a bathroom faucet.